You already know about grease pencil. You've seen the reels, you keep saying I need to learn that to yourself 100 times. So let's actually learn it. And sure, it can feel like a lot at first, and most tutorials out there just make things worse. Some chuckleheads speed running through menus assuming that you already know what's going on. But you deserve better. You deserve me. We're going to start from zero and go through everything. Animation principles, hand-drawn frame by frame, and when you're ready, we'll actually take advantage of being inside of Blender. Drawing in 3D space, rigging, using modifiers, compositing. We'll animate a frog. We'll build a heron. And you'll finish things off with a full 2D and 3D nature scene that feels like a storybook illustration brought to life. But listen, you're not gonna have to do it alone. Every project gets real feedback from real teaching assistants. It's not just some comment section, it's actual critique. My name is Elijah Sheffield, and if you took Blender for 3D artists, you already know what you're in for. That's right, I'm going to force feed you grease pencil knowledge whether you want it or not. But you'll thank me later. Grease Pencil Field Guide, available now with School of Motion All Access.